How to see recently watched reels on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you whether we can see recently watched reels on Instagram directly or not. Without further ado, let's get started. So, launch Instagram. And note that Instagram doesn't have a direct watch history for reels. However, you can find reels you have liked, commented on, or saved using these methods. Suppose if this is the real video that I have liked by tapping on it, then you need to navigate to profile at bottom right. Tap three-line menu icon at top right. Select your activity, and here you got the interactions. Here, suppose let's take likes. Here you will find all the posts and reels you have liked. You can easily tap on newest to oldest and sort by newest to oldest or oldest to newest. You can also tap on all dates and choose or filter by date. You can tap on the content type and select the content type, suppose post and reels, and tap apply as well. For now, let's check reels only. So on check post and tap on apply. So these are all the reels that you have watched. When you tap on the first reel, you can see that just now I watched this particular reel video. So in this way, you can only see the interactive reels. So any reel where you have commented will appear on this comment section. Any reels where you have added notes will be located on the notes section. So in this way, you can easily find all the interactive and watched reels on Instagram. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.